Here's the story of Samuel Dombey, a man like any other at the end of a long day, guts and muscles, and maybe a little more. He worked as a gravedigger after the Civil War, miles around competition burned with the deepest rage. The work was hard, and Sam did it for the cheapest wage. Seems that the other man's shoes didn't fit him. When he was out working, the others were out to get him. They called him Indestructible Sam. He promised he would die with a shovel in his hands. That's right, they called him Indestructible Sam. He promised he would die with a shovel in his hands. Digging all day, Sam's pockets got richer, but the others were wishing he was out of the picture. So late one night, some of the competition went to see Dr. Beauregard, a local magician. They asked if he could help put things in reverse. They pooled all their money for a $50 curse. Next morning at work was a commotion. Digging a grave, Sam heard an explosion, followed by a moaning, cursing and mumbling from the nearby bushes. A figure came stumbling. Sam shrugged his shoulders and surveyed the damages. Later, Dr. Beauregard was seen wearing bandages. They called him Indestructible Sam. He promised he would die with a shovel in his hands. That's right, they called him Indestructible Sam. And he died with a shovel in his hand.
Yeah! That's not, no! That's not what I'm trying to do!
That was a 3, though.